how to change screen color on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go directly to your settings area here and scroll down up until you see the accessibility here. Tap on that and go to display and text size. It's actually in the vision section here, is the first section. Tap on display and text size, and here you will be able to adjust your screen color. So here, if you tap on increase contrast here, you will see the difference here. So with differentiate without color, smart invert here, and then here, if you really want to change your color depending on your preferred color, then tap on color filters here, and then you have to toggle on color filters. Now, after toggling it on, you can actually pick from grayscale or red-green filter or green-red filter or blue-yellow filter or color tint. And here, if you, for example, you'll choose red or green filter here, you will see the intensity, so you can actually adjust your preferred intensity for this filter. So with the others, if you are now contented with the color screen color, then you just have to go back home and you will spot the difference with your screen. So now let's say you want to turn that back on. So all you have to do is to go to the same settings and then just toggle this off, this color filter. And basically that is how you change screen color on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.